I'm an angel hair pasta fiend.
Stay in control of your goals.
What's good, y'all? It's your boy Michael John. I am here with my brother YBK.
Yes, sir, yes,
And we're watching World Series Game 7 right now, and I'm gonna make a little shrimp scampi.
The garlic is down here.
I've never once seen Danny eat with a utensil. Like, I'm not sure he knows how to use a fork or a knife or a spoon, but I've never seen him use a bowl either, so.
All right, I am in here. I'm about to take the lemons, and we're gonna put some lemon juice. Probably only need one lemon here, a juicy one. So it's juicy. I'm gonna put the lemon juice in there, and then we're gonna keep getting the items ready.
All right, the boys are in the background being foolish, as per usual. I got my lemon. Cut this bad boy. Looking good. This is straight out the canyon from our tree. All right. Let's get our lemon juice. Damn, this thing is juicy. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
All right, lemon juice is ready. And now what? I'm gonna cut a little parsley, I guess. Get my measurements right for whatever I'm using. We're gonna be adding the manina as our little white wine emulsifier. Best butter that you got there, the Kerrygold. That's the best butter you can get. Don't need this much parsley, but we gonna cut a little bit of that butter into the saucepan. Cause I'm like, it's like I can't. It's hard to bring it back and forth. I have to keep
Into the
wash
saucepan.
my hand, like, cause I'm gonna be touching like some food.
Anything you want, brother.
Like, I'll put it there. When you get
Yo, what's up, YBK? Yo, what's up?
Making shrimp scampi. All right, here's an update. Pan ain't getting hot as quick as I thought it was, but we're on like electric heat, so not gas heat. So we're getting the shrimp on now. The shrimp,
The colors are changing.
yeah, the shrimp start cooking now, right? We start to get the shrimp cooked, right? And then as the shrimp cooks, we're gonna add the garlic and we're gonna add the red chili flake.
Looking so good.
Then we're gonna add the lemon juice and the rest of the butter. So right now we're just getting the shrimp right. Finally, it took a minute for me to figure out how to get that. Yes, the World Series shrimp scampi.
7.
Let this cook for about like 30 seconds to a minute. Then we can put the rest of the butter and the wine in. Boom. Quarter cup of wine. Alright. You can use chicken broth too instead. Anyway, so that kind of juice.
Yeah!
Mr. Paul!
I'm Paul.
Drain your pasta.
We gotta drain your pasta. See what we thinking. Let me get out this bowl. Let me get me some pasta.
I'm an angel hair pasta fiend.
I put more chili flakes in it this time that I made it than last time. And I like it because it makes it a little more spicy, like a kick, but it's not like hot. You know what I mean? Yeah. Tell me if it's good. You gotta make sure it's good, boy.
Really good. I love how flavorful it is. Like,
The scampi itself is very flavorful, bro. Because there's like lemon, the white wine, and then the flavor. The shrimp is very, very flavorful.
Is there more left? Is there more left?
There's more pasta.
Really?
Yeah. But like there's like a little bit of sauce.
Why don't you just put the pasta in the other pan and fucking mix it around so you get all the, you can get all that.